Okay, so we're gonna start off with our water to foam shampoo. So it foams up, lathers, and it deeply cleanses without stripping your hair. As you can see, I'm using my shampoo brush to really get in there, and then I'm gonna start to wash my hair out. Up next is the Jelly to Cream conditioner, which I love. So this is going to lock in moisture from the roots to the ends of my hair without any added weight. So I'm just massaging into my scalp, and then I'm going to comb my hair through and I'm going to rinse it out. Up next is the Cream Serum Moisturizer. It helps prevent frizz, detangles your hair, and gives your hair a hug of moisture. So I'm applying this thoroughly onto my wet hair. You can use this on dry hair as well, or in between wash days. Last but not least, we have the Gel to Foam Styler. It has a 48-hour hold with no added weight, stiffness, or crunch. Okay, so these are my results after it dried. It smells really good, it's super lightweight, and I have pillow soft curls.